Potential dependence of a language is communication method on its speaker's intellectual capability. Every definition of a word with a resulting word that stands for it shortens language by using the word instead of its definition. One could therefore infinitely store a sentence's information by just making up new words. At first it seems, but we only have so many letters, therefore only so many possible combinations given a small character constraint. But this problem again is potentially solvable by increasing the number of characters, which very quickly lands in infinite combinations. There is a reason passwords are not made up of just 0, 1 or A to Z, or in this case 0 to 9 rather. There is also possibly a reason why a parrot hasn't come up with string theory yet, despite being maybe physically able to announce the solution to the problem of finding the word formula. The lack of the word formula itself might just be a lack of not having increased the density of a given short formula to encompass all different kinds of relations. So language might correlate to some extent with the average speaker's intellectual capability. A very easy example could be to imagine a conversation between each the two least and each the two most capable people one knows. Word choice might be different. So as we either might increase our intellectual capabilities or machines increase theirs, the language they use might grow increasingly more complex, simultaneously increasing in resolution. One could, for example, now just find a phrase for all of what was just described. Let's call it the dependence of language as communication method on its speaker's intellectual capability title. If one now turns this into an acronym, $KMOISEC, then we just created a new word. The problem, almost zero speakers have it stored, again exemplifying the argument.